Hello guys, welcome to our channel 10 minutes code, and today we are going to solve the 455th problem of our Leetcode, which is assign cookies. And this is today's daily Leetcode problem, and this is an easy level problem. So we have to assume we are a parent and we want to distribute cookies to our children, and each children should have at least one cookie. So each child I has a grid factor, okay, and a minimum size of cookie that child will contain is J. Okay, so let's explain with the example. So there is a G, there's a two vectors which will be given as the input, G and S. So G is a grid factor of each children and S is the size of each cookie. So there are three values here, so there are three children and there are two values here, so there are two cookies. Okay, so we can give the cookies to the same grid factor or less grid factor of the size of cookie. So here one, we can't give one size cookie to the two greedy factor children, because it has more greedy than the size of cookie. So we can give this one to these children and we can't give this one to 2 or 3. So we can only distribute cookie here to the one children, so we are going to give the output as 1. Suppose there is there are two children with 1 and 2 greed factor, and we have 3 cookies with 1, 2 and 3 size. So we will give this one cookie to these children and this 2 size cookie with second children. So here we have distributed cookie to 2 children, so we are going to return the output as 2. So let's come to code. First of all, we are going to sort both the vector. Okay, so we are going to sort both the functions so that we can iterate both the vector simultaneously. So we are going to pass g.begin as the 2 parameter in the sort function and g.end. So first of all, I want to tell that this sorting function takes O of n log n time complexity, because it is an intra sort sorting, which is this is a C++ inbuilt sort function uses intra sort sorting, which is just a hybrid algorithm of heap sort, quick sort and incision sort. So we are going to sort both the vectors, G vector, greedy factor vector and S vector. And now I am going to create a counter which we are going to return at the end. So if we distribute the cookie to children, we can increment counter, and we are going to run the for loop from J to 0, and there will be 2 conditions. First, I should be less than G dot size. Why? Because output should be less than number of children, or we can say less than equal to number of children, because this is a vector and it has 0 indexing, so I is less than G dot size. And there will be an and operator which will be J should be less than S dot size, which is the size of cookie. That's all. And when we are going to increment J++. Now we are going to see if S of I, so there is already given a condition here, I think so, S of I should be more than equal to G of I. Sorry, S of J, it will be S of J should be more than equal to G of I. Then we are going to increment counter, and at the last we are going to return the I. So this is the counter. So let's run the test cases. Submit this. So that's all, we have submitted this. So this was a daily Leetcode problem, which is 455th. So for more Leetcode problems and machine learning and web development, you can just subscribe as a 10 minutes code. Thank you.